Well, hey guys, welcome back to the cabin, Black Spruce Country. Back again a week later from my last video with the horse, Reese. And still not much snow. I was able to get down here on a snowmobile, out on the ice as you've seen from the aerial footage. A little bit of snow, not much, lots of ice out there, but just enough to get around on the beaten trails with the snowmobile. But we're here again today. I'm going to do that shelf, try to finish that off today. But I'm hungry. First, we're going to take a little hike and go down near the waterfalls and have a little snack. Put the kettle on, have a little fire maybe. And when we'll come back then and get at that shelf. So let's go down for a little hike and have a cup of tea. Ready, Burnley? Go for a walk? Want to go for a walk? Come on, you like to walk. Come on. Okay guys, we're back at the cabin again now. Great lunch down by the waterfalls, some moose fry. Now I'm going to work on this shelf, and I'm going to sand it down first and then put it in place. And I brought a couple little brackets I made at home, but I'm going to see if it fits. I'm not sure if it's going to fit, but I got another plan in mind if it doesn't fit. So let's sand this first. So here's the brackets I had made up. Just some 2x6 was going to go underneath, like so, and just cut into the log here, so you make a groove so it fits in there nicely. But the problem I got, look how far off it's sticking off. And I don't know. So sizing it up here. What's going on here? This groove fits in here really nice. Look at that. It's like a little ledge already. Look at that fit. It's like a perfect fit there, that groove. So I got something in mind here. I really don't need a bracket underneath. Let me show you. Okay. Like I say, this is not going to fit really good down here. Where's it going? Like this, like this. You see how far off it's sticking? I could modify it, but I thought about something. These 6-inch nails down in here, there's a natural edge already. That'll hold that, no problem, I think. So I'm going to try it. If it don't work, I'll just put a bracket underneath. So this thing is heavy. I wish I had another set of hands. Well, that worked out good. Look at that, look. That is strong, guys. Very strong. I'll put another one right here in the center. Look at that. I'm pushing down really hard on this. So there's nothing going to be that heavy that won't, you know, not going to knock that down. So it fits really good right here. And no bracket. So here you go. Pretty good. Well guys, that went a lot faster than I expected. Easy, 3 nails, really strong, so it saved me all that work with the brackets. So that was a bonus. But yeah, just having a cup of tea here now. It's getting late in the afternoon. We're gonna pack up and head back home. But I hope you enjoyed this little video. I had somebody comment, do I have any pictures of my cabin build, this cabin from scratch? I do have a few pictures, and I'm going to put them on now before the end of the video. I think there's 8, 9, 10 pictures just to let you see the process. A couple there with my brother and I, so yeah, they're nice. I really enjoyed building this. I love building cabins, and this is number 4. Yeah, 4. I put a couple pictures of the ones I built up in Labrador. This is the 3rd log cabin, and one was a conventional cabin. But yeah, now I'm contemplating building another one. Something a little bigger, probably double the size, and maybe this is horizontal logs, maybe vertical. I have a plan in mind. We have a spot in mind, but we need to wait until this summer to really get close to have a look at it. On water, of course. Good view. So remote cabin again. It's all remote. And that's the one thing about having these off-grid remote cabins. I don't want to be able to drive to it, because if you can drive to it, other people can drive to it, and the safety aspect of it. But anyway, we're contemplating on that, so that'll be next year's project. We'll stay tuned. We'll keep you updated on what's going on with that. Thinking about it, probably going to happen, but anyway. So we'll still keep this one. Yeah, it was a good day. We had a great little feed of moose down by the waterfalls and a cup of tea. So, but we're going to head home now. Again, as usual, if you like these videos, please like and subscribe. It helps out the channel greatly. And like I say, 80% of people who watch videos don't subscribe. It is so easy. Push a button. And so, anyway, that's it. Until the next time, take care and God bless.